Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna be doing some interior mods on the car. One of them being a shift knob. Uh, I mean it's an automatic, but the stock shift knob is boring. So I'm gonna replace it with a manual shift knob. It comes with with adapters like this plastic adapters. Um, they're hollow, um, but they won't fit the factory shaft. You know where the shift knob goes. So I came up with a solution, simple, um, because I need to fill up that hole with something, uh, to make it to fill it up. So it can be a little bit more snug, on the on the shaft. So I found this rubber hose, and this rubber hose, I can't remember the size of it. I don't know if it's a 5/16 hose, something like that, but it fits perfect inside. So um, and the hose is the exact size of the shaft. Should fit perfect. So that's what we're gonna do. Second thing I'm gonna do is installing this. I won these things on a fun park called Austin Parks and Pizza, obviously in Austin. It cost me 775. Let me see if I can. 775 points. We're gonna do it. Why not? I don't drive at night that much, but yeah, just for fun, to make it look a little bit better at night. Something out of the boring that it is. So we're gonna make it a little bit less boring on the inside. So yeah, let's begin. All right, people, here it is. The way you get this thing out is twisting this part. Give it a little twist. You can do it like I am. Just grab some pliers. Be careful. You can grab it with something like some rubber or a towel, something like that, and give it a little twist. I don't give a damn about this one, so I don't care if it got damaged. But you twist it and a little bit, and it will fall off. The other thing is there's a clip that is supposed to be here, but because I already did it, and the thing, you have to be really careful because it will eject like a missile. So be careful about it, because that's what happened to me. It ejected, poof, and I never saw it again. I checked the whole freaking car. It's not here. So be careful with it. Just pull it up and that's it. You're done with this. All right, get this thing out. Now, what I'm gonna install is this one. All right. So this one, that goes there. I'm supposed to put the adapter first and then this. The problem is that it will only go there, so it's not gonna look so good, too good. So what I'm gonna do is drill a hole through there, all right, and make it, go through that, because this is hollow on the inside. You can do this. So because it's hollow, you see, I'm gonna drill a hole there and make the shaft go through this. So let's get that done. 3/8 drill bit. That's enough to go through the shaft. Put it back together. And there you go. All right, so we're ready to install. All right, let's try it. Now it looks better. Look at that. Nice. Okay, so first the ring. First the ring. All right, now the adapter. As you can see, fits perfect. So slide it inside. Nice. Then go down. Okay. It's too tight. So we're gonna make it a little bit slicker. Alright, the way you make rubber slicker to get it through something, you know, like this, it's gonna be tight. Use some Windex. Windex. Best solution. Just put a couple drops there. Alright. Drops. And it will slide like butter. Okay, grab yourself the pliers and wiggle it. So that's done. Now the bolts. Set screws, not bolts, set screws. Here we go. And put it on neutral. It's a lot easier to get the set screw. And screw the cap back on. And you're done. Look how nice it is. Okay, next mod, the lights. Alright, they're simple. Couple of bars with tape, and they connect to a USB. Simple. It's nothing fancy, you know. I'm gonna find a spot where I can, you know, place them, hide them, and at night turn it on. Yeah. See how it looks. Okay, so maybe I will hide the bars like right here, this flat area. That way you can't see it from the outside, and it will light up the whole area there where the pedals are. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna do it on the other side too, and in the same area, and see how it lights up. Oh man, that shift nut looks nice. All right. Okay, I found a good spot. There's like an ECU of some sort here, some computer. I put it right there. Right there. It's perfect because you can't see it. Let's do the other side. Alright, people. To get the wires tucked in really nice, you need to take this thing apart by just prying on in here, and it will pop out. Start popping the clips out, so you can get it out. But because of this ship now can't get it all the way out, so you have to turn it on, put it in neutral, and there you go. All right, so disconnect here. All right, put it aside. You can see we have a lot of space. I need to get it to the USB. Yeah, let's see how I do it. All right, we got the cable. So because we don't need that much, we are gonna make it smaller. Alright. Alright, let's see if we can hide it completely. Perfect. Ta-da! Alright, now it's right there. Alright, comes from there, and that's it. Maybe I can hide a little bit of the cable a little bit more, but yeah, basically that's it. Alright, so here is the plug. Put it on the USB and hit the on button, and boom, you have lights. At night it's gonna be bright as hell. Turn it off. I will turn off in like 20 seconds. Takes a little bit, you know, the normal shutdown of the car. You'll see in a second. Boom, there you go. Alright, so there you have it. Simple mods. Now the car won't suck as much on the inside. But yeah, something different. You know, I had this car for like 3 years now. 4 years, I can't remember. It's been the same, nothing done to it. So now at least on the inside I'm gonna, you know, see something different, you know, make it a little bit more fun on the inside. Not much, but something is something. Yeah, simple stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more things on the outside. On the next video, you're gonna see I'm gonna do the delete, the batch delete on the back for the Veloster. I'm gonna delete that, and I'm gonna paint the badges black. Why not? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing next. So thanks for watching, and I see you guys on the next one. Bye.